Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel ManiTech. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to link your PAN card with Aadhar or how to link your Aadhar with PAN card. So friends, at first you have to open any browser and then in the address bar you have to search Income Tax India website. You will see the first option. This is the Income Tax India website, Income Tax India e-filing.gov.in. You just need to open the link and you just need to close this pop-up screen, and then you will find an option in the left side, Link Aadhar. This is the Link Aadhar option. You just need to tap on Link Aadhar button. After that you have to enter your PAN number here and Aadhar number here and name as per Aadhar. After entering all these things, you just need to tap on I agree to validate my Aadhar details, these options, and then you have to enter this image, that is the code which is shown in the above. You just need to enter this here, and then finally you have to click Link Aadhar. Let's enter the PAN number here. And now enter the Aadhar number here. After that you have to enter the name, which is name as per Aadhar. You have to enter your name which is mentioned in your Aadhar card. After that you have to check on this button, I agree to validate my Aadhar details with UIDAI. Now you have to enter this image. And then you have to click on Link Aadhar button. Now you will see a message that your request has been sent to UIDAI for validation of Aadhar. Please check the status later by clicking on Link Aadhar hyperlink in the home page. Now to check the status of your Aadhar linking, you have to visit the Income Tax India website again. Now to check the Aadhar and PAN linking status, you have to open Income Tax India website link. And you will see the first option, Income Tax India e-filing.gov.in. You have to open this link, then close this pop-up screen. Now you will see an option, Link Aadhar. You just need to click on this option, Link Aadhar, and then you have to click here to view the status if you have already submitted Link Aadhar request. So to check the status, simply click here button. Now enter your PAN card number. And then enter your Aadhar number. And then click View Link Aadhar Status. So you will get an option, your PAN is linked to Aadhar number, this. So friends, in this way you can link your Aadhar with PAN card and check the status whether your Aadhar is linked to your PAN card or not. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, so kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.